Hi guys. So in this video, we are going to be starting our creating a website using HTML code. It's extremely fun stuff, but it's something you have to learn. So looking at our Google Classroom, you'll see create a website using HTML code. And it'll look like, here's the assignment. I typed up the directions and the first step is to enter this type of code exactly into a notepad document. So where do we find notepad? Notepad you can find in the programs down in the bottom left hand corner. And easiest way, if it doesn't pop up here or you do not want to search through all the programs, just type notepad and you'll see it. It's an app. Double click on it and it'll open up over here. And it's just a blank untitled document. So you're going to use the code that I placed here, and you're going to type it in exactly into the notepad document that you just opened. So I'm to type it real quick. Bam! You see how quick I did that? It was nice. Um, and then you're going to want to save it. So File, Save As, and we're going to name it My Website, but you can't leave that extension on the end. Okay, so My Website. You may even want to put your name. Just delete all this. My website, but you have to put the extension .html. And of course, you want to save it in a folder where you can find it. So I have it on my desktop in the website folder. I'm going to save it. Bam. So this is basically the website written in code, the back end that you don't see. So I'm going to close it out and reopen it and see what it looks like. So going to the folder that I saved it in, I believe I saved it on my desktop in the website folder, and the website folder is right here. And I named it my site.html. So I will double click on that, and it will open up in a browser, and you see, wow, look at there's my first website, exactly like how I typed it in the notepad. So you can see I'm looking at the heading one, my first heading, paragraph one, my first paragraph. And that's what it looks like in the browser. My first heading, my first paragraph. Now, why don't we change some of that code and see if it changes the website? So going back to the notepad, well, actually, I'm going to have to go back to the folder and open it in a different, with a different program. So my site, I'm going to right click on that and instead I'm going to open it right here with Notepad. So that brings me back to the code that I actually wrote. So I'm just going to change up my first heading and I'm going to put in, how about Mr. Roberts website? And my first paragraph will be, what do you guys want to say today? Hey, Mr. Roberts, hey, welcome. Welcome to my first page. Bam. And again, we will save it. File, save as. And I'm in my site.html. Save. Already exists. Do I want to replace it? I think I'm going to this time, but you may not want to other times. So I will replace it. And then I'm going to close it out. And if I go back to the folder and open it again, we should see the changes because we changed the code on the notepad document. So double click on this, it'll open up in the browser and you see that I changed all the text on that document. Okay. So that's how you start using HTML code to actually write or create a website. Again, if you want to edit your site, you have to open in a text document. If you want to see how it looks in the browser, you have to just open it regularly. So right click, open with Notepad. That'll get you to the text. If you want to see it in the browser, double click on it and it'll look like that in the browser. So maybe even be a good idea to open up, we scroll that over, and have both windows open. So you can see I can change the code from the Notepad document and look at it in the browser. So I'll do that one more time really quick. Let's say Mr. Roberts. Let's just add Logan Roberts, and we'll save it. And then if we refresh, now you can see that it changed on the site. So I hope that was helpful. Again, this is just the first part. I will do another video, take it a step further, where we're changing multiple things to the website, and we'll just build on that. Okay. Have a good day. Enjoy. Good luck.